aláìlúwà ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ilé fún àṣírí àti pàtíwá tó yẹ wọ́n ọlọ́run àmójúrò ọlọ́run tó ṣe ilé ìlú ìlú àtúnṣe tó dúbẹ̀ lọ àṣìlọ gbogbo olú tí méjì gbogbo àgbàgbọ́dọ̀ dìde torí pé ìlúmọ fábí olóòjì rẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan ìrọ̀lọ́ máa ń dìde sí ìmáwọn fẹ́ tó pé à nípa tí ìgbò òjò tẹ́lẹ̀ sí ọgbọ̀dọ̀ kàjẹ́ ilé iná kò ní bàjẹ́ náà adẹ́nu wa sí gbogbo nǹkan. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ọlọ́run bá gbogbo ọmọjọ́rò ẹ̀fọ́ ló ti ọmọ ìyá wa ọdún máa ti ojú ní tẹ́yìn náà láṣẹ ọlọ́run abẹ́yìn náà ṣe ti ní tiwa náà ẹ bá wa ṣe ẹ̀yẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe ìjọ ilé ìjọba wà ní tàkó síbẹ̀ torí pé wọ́n kí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́bẹ̀ ọmọ bá adá sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe o ní fáìtì mi nígbà ìjọba bẹ́ẹ̀ fáìtì wà lórí pẹ̀lú lẹ́tà lọ́bẹ̀ pẹ̀lú lẹ́tà fún mi ọ̀rẹ́ fún lónìí ìgbòho ẹlẹ́rìí
Lukman Oko.
Stay blessed. Thank you. Sole.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀, one time ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Sole Bagba. This is my invitation.
Okay.
My birthday and housewarming.
Okay. Can I go ahead and open it?
Of course.
Okay, while opening it, Yomi Fabiyi, I want to say that I'm very, very proud of you.
Thank you.
Very, very proud of you.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀
Gidi. I know what we have all been through.
Yeah.
But look at you today. What is scaled through? What one has scaled through? This is nice. Thank you. Wow. Nobel Entertainment. Thank you for doing this. And this is the invite. Yomi Fabiyi's.
This is your letter.
Okay, you have to read it.
Yeah.
7th February 2024, Sola Kosoko, veteran Nollywood actress. Relevant information attached. Thank you very much, Yomi. I'm definitely going to be there. Yomi Fabiyi. Oni Tombe. Lágbára náà, wọn ò ní sípò ẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Lágbára náà, wọn ò ní gbókò ẹ̀ wọlé.
Ìyàwó ẹ̀ gbé ẹ̀dẹ̀ náà.
Ó máa pẹ́pẹ́ kó máa nílé ẹ̀dọ́ wà tún kọ́ mi lágbára náà.
Foluke, this is my invitation for my birthday and housewarming.
Congratulations, Yomi. You've come a long way. I've been an activist. You have been one that has been supporting the vulnerable, the voiceless. I say well done, and I say God bless you, God increase you. This will be the beginning of the good things that will come your way. And oh wow! How did you like chocolate? This is so beautiful. We'll get it back. And oh wow.
That's for Nobel Entertainment.
Okay. Oh wow. So Nobel, wear your cap now. And okay. 7th February 2024. To Mrs. Foluke, veteran Nollywood actress. Relevant information attached, and I'll say congratulations once again. You go carry two powerful heavyweights. We have Malaika and Papato Sibe. I'm going to be there. Our gon and Chile. Our gon ya Chile. Ilé àtura lórúkọ Jésù. Wọ́n ní gboko ẹ jáde ńbẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù. Eléyìí ló máa jẹ́ kékeré jù nínú nǹkan tó lọ́wọ́ máa ṣe fún ẹ.
Ebonire yo, ebonire jo, ọmọ Fabiyi kò ríire. Yomi kan lẹ́kan sí ìgboro Ẹ̀gbá. Funfun nẹ́nẹ́ lábà wọn. Funfun lakunlé wa torí inú àwa funfun nẹ́nẹ́. Funfun nẹ́nẹ́ kò lábà wọn. Ibi ara bàbá gbalẹ̀ sí àgbálẹ̀ àpẹ̀ká rẹpẹtẹ ni. Funfun nẹ́nẹ́ kò lábà wọn. Lukman Yomi ọmọ Fabiyi Araba mo kí ọ kú oríire. Funfun nẹ́nẹ́ kò lábà wọn. Double celebration, birthday celebration and housewarming. Funfun nẹ́nẹ́ kò lábà wọn. On the 1st of May, ẹ máa bọ̀ kẹ́ wá bá wa sílé o.
Ẹni bá bí ìbejì kó náwó.
Báwo lè náwó wọn bí i consultation fee? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò rọrùn kò bá rọrùn rí. Àmọ́ ìrìn àlọ́jọ́ wájú bí ẹ̀kọ́ àwíṣù owó ìlú Daddy Korede senior. Hey yo, my brother. That's fine. As always, thank you so much. You and Sheyi. Yes, so Papa Beji and Yabeji. Okay. Yankee that's here. Hey! Báwo náà? Ó ti ṣe mistake gbàgbé dọ́là sí. All right, Mr. Niyi and Sheyi Johnson.
Ibi ara bàbá gbalẹ̀ sí àgbálẹ̀ àpẹ̀ká rẹpẹtẹ ni.
Relevant information attached. Thank you so much. Team Baba, what again? If I hear sound, no come.
You know my blood now.
Hey, Madiba, the back on it.
Yes,
I want to hear PK the first. You deserve it, you deserve more. How come you go charge me in the street?
Ọlọ́run ló kórè bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìwọ́n bá ní tí ẹ láìpẹ́.
Àmì sínú
ọkọ̀ ni ká má bọ̀.
Ibo ló ní sí bọ́bọ́ ìka yìí. Má lò lóore. Lọ́bẹ̀ máa wá fún mi náà, máa bá mi pákéjì mi náà.
Mo wà kárí.
Àmì
Coming soon.
I appreciate brother. God bless you. Many more to come.
Yomi o. Funfun nẹ́nẹ́ kò lábà wọn.
So guys, where will you be May 1st? Ìlú Abẹ́òkúta máa gbàlejò. I'm very sure that Abẹ́òkúta will be very, very proud of his own come May 1st by the grace of God. Ẹ̀gbá ilé.
Ebonire yo, ebonire jo.
This is my invitation
Okay.
for my housewarming and birthday.
Okay.
That's a package.
So guys, May 1st, we turn up live in Abeokuta for Araba. Yomi Fabiyi, congratulations, my brother. You have done so well and I'm so proud of you. I should open it. Okpa. This is so cute. Okpa, I should be me die, Joe. Oh yeah, now we are coming. So this is my okay, it's a letter. Hey, wo Yomi last song. 7th February 2024. Adebimpe Akitunde Ganiyu, aka Wasila Koda, veteran actress.
Àgbà tó lómi nínú pariwo Yomi o.
Relevant information attached. Yours faithfully, Tọ́pẹ́ Lawal Ṣadébélò for Love and Entertainment Canada.
Congratulations once again, bro. See you soon.